I just got this box from Dirt Skins today, and I figured we'd look to see what's in here and get them installed and do a little review. But here they are. And what do we got inside? A couple of neoprene covers. These things look thick, really good. And a couple of zip ties to put them on with, and stickers too. So we'll get these installed right away. Alright, well, let's take a look and see what it takes to put these guys on. Something makes me think this might be pretty easy. Looks like they got Velcro on here. Looks like about 1.5 inches thick on one side, 1 inch on the other, just for some adjustability. Oh, it's a tapered design as well, I can see. I wonder if that's to give you some variation. Well, let's see here. That looks like about it, man. Let's try another one. You can really get this fit just right. Taper, this big part down at the bottom here. Wow, that's easy. That should do something to help protect. If it works. Question how much you covered it. Okay. Do you want to please work on it? Cool. Boom, that was easy.